Arts a heddiw ni'n rhedeg ein gŵyl cyntaf o ADRA Screendance Wales. Mae'n dydd llawn ffilm dawns a llawer i edrych ymlaen am nifer o wahanol math o ffilmiau o gwledydd dros y byd.
Hello and welcome to ADRA Screendance Festival Wales. My name is Matthew Goff and I'm working with the festival, supporting the screenings. I've helped the selectors and been supporting the judges as well.
There's lots of different variety of films being shown and lots to look forward to and see a lot of Welsh talent on screen.
It's been really exciting this morning. We've just had the first session. There's been a really positive buzz afterwards, and it's been really delightful to see people come from different places, from London, from the north of England, from across Wales to come here today.
The films from 14 countries in total, so we're really proud that this has become such an international festival, from films from different countries, from films from England, and so much Welsh talent as well.
There's a real mixture of works on, from installation pieces to documentaries to animation, inclusive dance, and I think people have been maybe surprised at the breadth of work, but really enjoyed seeing different things going on.
Riverfront has such a big community, a very mixed, diverse community, and to be honest, without them, they've helped our outreach and for young people to even hear about the opportunity to make films and to perform. So
that's great.
It's been amazing. And just having, even attending their own events and seeing what they do and being able to implement that into what we do as well. It's been really good.
We are already planning to return next year and have a programme in which we'd like to see more Wales-based work and more work from young people. So we're putting together a programme with training to do that, and just for the festival to grow, to be a real celebration of dance and screen dance in Wales, and also just to kind of showcase the international talent that comes here, that exists here, and help develop the dance sector and dance and film sector as a whole.
This is our starting point, and I think we've got it strong, and we definitely want to grow it every year. It's going to be an annual festival that we and everyone look forward to every year.
Thank you. I think your funding has been invaluable to us, and we'd also like to thank the Riverfront Theatre and the University of South Wales for supporting us.